Come in.
Can I use your laptop for today?
Yes, sure. By all means.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And
Can I leave early today?
have you finished your task?
Not yet.
Tomorrow's off. Happy New Year. So you can't leave without finishing your task. By all means, please.
Okay.
Thank you. By all means. By all means idiom has two meanings. The first one means we use this idiom to show that you agree or give permission for someone to do something. As she said, can I use your laptop for today? I said, sure, by all means, which means yes, I agree and you can take it. As Egyptian people say, for sure, من عينيا, عيوني, the same meaning. The second meaning of this idiom is in all possible ways. We must get the contract by all means, which means in all possible ways. I can say also, I must pass the accounting test by all means, which means in all possible ways. Write down in the comments below, what's the meaning of by all means idiom? See you!